सभापती अपात्रता याचिकेचेर सुनावणी घेवन निकाल दिवपाक उशीर करतात। संसदेत कायदो दुरुस्ती करून निकाल बेगीन दिवचो म्हण काँग्रेस हो प्रश्न संसदेत मांडटली। असली पक्षांतरां बंद जावपाक जाय अशें सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाचे ज्येष्ठ ॲडव्होकेट विवेक तन्खा हांणी म्हळां। आरडेक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
In the petition that was filed by Girishji, which was the first petition filed before the High Court, but it had been transferred to Mumbai for hearing. From Mumbai it's come back to Goa. In the meantime, there was another petition filed by another party on which notices had been issued for today, and it was listed today for final disposal. So now both petitions have been clubbed. In our petition, notices have been issued to all the respondents. Speaker was counsel for the speaker, that is the Advocate General, was present, and now it is listed for final disposal on 10th. Before that, all parties have to complete their pleadings. Once the pleadings are complete by 9th, on 10th, the High Court will hear everybody. Our commitment to democracy, our commitment to an ethical government, personally, and my party believes there should be no defection. And defection is a disease, it's a scourge which ruined and gave a bad name to our democracy. So we should do everything within our power as a political party to give clean and good administration, governance, and have a defector-free government.
जे पिटिशन आमी फायल केल्लें जे 2-2.5 वर्सां जालीं, आयज तेजी हियरींग आशिल्लें आनी त्या हियरिंगाक आमी आमचे स्पेशली आमी आपोवणी दिल्लें आमचे राज्यसभाचे मेंबर आनीक सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे एक सिनियर लॉयर, आनी तेणी आयज आमच्या बाकीच्या टिमी बरोबर सगळी टीम फूल फ्लॅज आशिल्ली। तांणी थंय आयज आर्ग्यू केलें आनी हे पिटिशनाचेर डिस्पोजल बेगीन जावचें हें कोर्टाक इम्प्रेस केलें, कारण ऑलरेडी खूब टायम गेल्लो आसा आनीक बेश्टो वेळ काडपा खातीर वेळ हें करपा खातीर दुसरी पार्टीज आसा त्यो डेट्स मुखार व्हरपाचे प्रयत्न करतात। त्या हेजेर तेणी स्ट्रॉंगली आर्ग्यू केले नंतर 10 तारखेक ह्या पिटिशनाचेर डिस्पोजल जातलें अशें आयज आमकां कोर्टान कळ्ळां आनी त्या खातीर एक टायमलायन फ्रेम केल्ली आसा जी 6 तारखेच्यान तेजें स्टार्ट जातलें आनी सगळे जे रिटर्न रिप्लायज जितले आसात ते सगळे 9 तारीख मेरेन सगळ्यांनी कंप्लीट करचें आनी तेजे नंतर 10 तारखेक त्या हेजेर ऑर्डर आमी एक्सपेक्ट करतात।